Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Hisense Dishwasher F54 error code step by step. Let's begin. Step 1. Turn off power first. Unplug the dishwasher or switch off the breaker for safety. Step 2. Remove water from the base pan. F54 means water is sitting in the bottom or base tray. Remove the lower kick panel and dry the base completely using towels or a wet dry vacuum. Step 3. Check for the leak cause. Look inside and under for leaks. Door rubber gasket damage. Loose or cracked hoses. Drain pump area leaking. Step 4. Fix drainage issues. Check the drain hose behind the unit. No kinks or bends. Then remove and clean the dishwasher filter. Step 5. Reset and test. Put panels back, restore power, and run a quick wash, rinse, cycle. If no new leak happens, the F54 should be gone.